Yo guys, what's going on? Hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. So in today's video, I'm just quickly going to cover a feature that I found last night after streaming that is an absolute game changer for people that create maps, right? So you can now take your textures per block from 5 to 7. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go over to Terrain Tools, Paint, make sure that this little button is checked, and then you should see these yellow squares. Within these yellow squares, you've always been, prior to the latest update, been able to paint 5 textures, right? Maxed out at 5, you've got to choose very wisely what textures you use within this so that you can cover all bases with those 5 textures nicely. Now you can do 7 textures in this area. This is amazing. So yeah, it's just amazing. How do you do it? How do you make it? So it's a setting that you do have to set. You can't go back onto it. So you go over to manage and then change maximum number of layers to 7. Default is 5. Okay. When you click this, so it's a grayed out for me because I've already done it. But when you click this, it'll give you a few warnings and say, you can't go back on this. And are you sure you want to do this? Me personally, I didn't have an effect. However, I do want to say this. It doesn't affect my performance now. But when I activated it and then I saved, I went on and tried to paint a little bit. And then, my Infusion crashed as Infusion crashes normally. So I was like, it's okay. I reloaded Infusion, and the reason why is I imported the satellite map also, which is also why it crashed, I assume. So I imported the satellite map, started painting a little bit, and I had a little bar as normal, had a little bar up here that says building terrain, which is normal. And then it crashed. So I relaunched, didn't think much of it, and my map was in an absolute chaos. Textures were completely kaputski broken. So you see these blocks. Yeah, these blocks were like one texture. And then this one was like a different texture. But everything inside of these textures, so all of this detail was just taken away and it was replaced with one texture. So I was like, and it was all over the map, all the detail across this entire map was just like, what? I was like, man, this sucks. So I didn't even save. I didn't even try to paint or anything. I just closed the app in absolute misery, and I was like, meh. Closed it, opened it back up. I really hoped that it wasn't broken, that it was just a glitch. And I opened it up and it was okay. It just had to build the terrain. So what I want to tell you is, when you activate this feature, just be careful, right? This is a warning, just be careful. Don't save when it crashes and you open up and it's all wonky. Don't save, just close it back down. Don't save, open it back up. It should be fine. But yeah, just be careful when you play around with textures, and you've already done a significant amount of painting. I'd just warn against that. Okay, so that's the warning done and dusted. Finally, we do have these holes, which I'm not really sure about how it works yet. I haven't dabbled into it, but I've seen it. Last night I saw it. I was like, huh, interesting. So it basically just does this. Okay. Hello? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's a hole. a hole in the map. Pretty cool. Interesting feature. And yeah, might be cool for underground bunkers. You never know. Anyways, guys, I don't want to keep you for too long. 5 minutes is probably the best. So recap, new feature, allows you to take your painted textures from 5 to 7 per block. When activating the feature, just be careful. If you've already done painting on your map, like myself, just be very careful. If it crashes and you open it up and the textures are wonky, do not save, close down the program and relaunch it. That's all I'd recommend. So yeah, just be careful. Please be careful. And yeah, now we can finally do 7 textures per block. Gonna take our map making to a whole different level. Alrighty guys, any comments, any questions, anything like that, always the comments are open and I'll respond as quickly as I can. And yeah, hope you have a lovely week and a fantastic day, and I will catch you in the next one. By the way, I'll be streaming tonight. Catch me there if you want. We'll be continuing this map. So yeah, take care, stay safe, God bless.